Hi, Mark Thomas with U-Pole here. Today we're going to be talking about Dolphin Putty. Dolphin Putty is our thick glaze. But before we begin, U-Pole highly recommends the use of personal protection equipment consisting of latex or nitrile gloves, safety goggles, and particle masks. In this segment, we're going to be talking about Dolphin Putty. Dolphin Putty is a thicker version of the Dolphin Glaze. It's the same resin system, so the two products are completely intermixable with one another. It comes packaged in the aluminized bag and the squeeze bottle. The first thing I'm going to do is squeeze some of the Dolphin Putty out on top of the onion board. As I squeeze this material out on the onion board, you can see that it's a pretty thick product. This has the same resin system as what we use in Dolphin Glaze. So the Dolphin Glaze and the Dolphin Putty are completely intermixable with one another. This product will build on a vertical surface. It's suitable for use over rock chips and door dings. It's also an excellent product for use over lightly sanded OEM paint substrates. The hardener ratio for Dolphin Putty is 2%, which is the same that we use with all of our premium fillers and putties. So on a puddle this size, that's a strip of hardener approximately 1/2 to 2/3 the diameter of the puddle. As I pull the Dolphin Putty out across the top of the onion board, you can see how extremely smooth and uniform the material is. We've allowed the material to set up, and now I'm going to do the first cut with 320 grit sandpaper. Not because you're normally going to cut this material with 320 grit, because from a production aspect it's going to be quite slow. Generally you're going to do the first cut with 150, 180, something that's slightly coarser. When sanding with 320, the Dolphin Putty is very easy to sand, and you can see that there isn't even any dust loading on the paper itself. No matter how long it sits, Dolphin Putty will never be any harder to sand than it is at this point. The advantage of being able to sand with 320 or 400 grit is that if you're working over a rock chip or a door ding in an OEM finish, you can lightly abrade the OEM surface with 180, mix and spread the Dolphin Putty over the top of that rock chip or door ding, and come back and sand it with 320 or 400 grit in preparation for top coating. Because Dolphin Putty is solvent-proof after 20 minutes, we can come back over the top of it with solvent-borne or waterborne base coat, and it won't suck down or wring out over the repair area. Dolphin Putty contains a plasticizing agent which makes it suitable for use as a skim coat product over many flexible components without the use of an adhesion promoter. It does have the ability to take a 180-degree flex when used as a skimming product on bumper parts. To recap, Dolphin Putty is U-Pole's thick glazing putty. It bonds to most automotive substrates including aluminum, galvanized bare metal, and lightly sanded OEM substrates. It's flexible and can be used as a skim coat over many flexible bumper components without the use of adhesion promoter. Dolphin Putty is also solvent-proof and paintable in as little as 20 minutes with most solvent and waterborne base coat systems.